everyone, welcome to Quick and Easy Cooking. Today, because we're coming into fall, I thought with all the changes of the weather that I would do a chili recipe. And I'm going to make a chili recipe today that one day I had limited ingredients in my fridge and I threw all this combination together and it was a wonderful chili. So today I'm going to make this. Now the ingredients that you will need are 1 pound of ground round, but you can use turkey, you can use chicken, or you can use hamburger or chuck, whichever meat you prefer, or sausage. Now you can use a half an onion, that's what I have chopped up. I have 1 bell pepper chopped up. You will need Lawry seasoned salt, Busch's Chili Magic, the classic home style, 2 cans of Petite diced tomatoes. Now if you want to use crushed tomatoes or whole tomatoes and then crush them, you can do that instead. You will need 1 can of V8 juice, some hot sauce. For this video I'm using Crystal, and you will definitely need some crackers to go with your chili. Now I have my meat for my chili fried up and I'm letting it drain, getting the excess grease off or the fat. Now I've got our ground round in our Dutch oven right here. I'm going to open up the can, so I'm going to start pouring this stuff in. Now I'm going to put the magic, and it's the Busch's Chili Starter Beans. See, I love their spices and blends in this. Now they do have a Louisiana style one, and it is really, really good. I think it's a campfire. It's a campfire one. You may even want to use that one instead. Now I'm going to put my green pepper in. I just put my green pepper in. I don't saute it before, my onion or green pepper. I just put it in because it cooks. Because I'm going to let this cook when I put everything on in and let it simmer down. So it gets the vegetables nice and tender. So there's my green pepper and also our onion. Now here's my V8 juice. Now you wouldn't think V8 juice would be in chili, but I tell you one thing, it really gives it a kick. It adds flavor to the chili. Now if you don't have V8 juice, you could take tomato juice. Tomato juice will do just as good. It adds a tremendous flavor to this. So here's my 2 cans of Petite diced tomatoes. Make sure I get everything out. And then here's my other can of Petite tomatoes. Now what I've got here, I have used 1½ teaspoons. Okay, this is 1 teaspoon, and then this is a ½ teaspoon of Lawry's seasoned salt. I put it in this. Now I'm going to add that in there, and do not put any salt in this because Lawry's seasoned salt is going to be your salt. And then at this point you would just put some pepper in it, like crushed pepper, or it could be black pepper. Now I'm stirring this up. Now remember, I got 1.5 teaspoons of Lawry seasoning salt, and then I've got 1 teaspoon of crushed black pepper.
The reason why you don't use pepper flakes in here like I would normally do with chili is because my daughter likes hot sauce.
Yeah, I like hot sauce, and this is where if you have Crystal, Red Hot, Louisiana Hot, Texas Pete, you can use anything that you got, and I always put the hot sauce on it because that's what makes chili. You got to have some kind of heat to it. Now I'm going to pour several shakes in here. As you can see, I pour it on. There we go. I would say that's like almost like a tablespoon. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to stir this on up and let this all blend together.
And if you need more seasoning.
If you need more seasonings like Lawry seasoning salt, or if you want to add your own spices to this, you can. But this is so, so good. And I'm going to taste something here for a minute. I'm just going to do a little taste test to the side, because I always do that off to the side to see how okay. This is really good. I love the blends and the seasoning to this. If you wanted to use more like crystal or hot sauce, you can. Like I said, I put a tablespoon on in, but you can season it as you go. But this taste is really, really good. Now I'm going to turn the stove on and I'm going to let this simmer and get nice and hot. I wanted to show you our chili. The chili looks really, really good. I did not add no water to this because when you let this simmer over the stove and it gets nice and hot and stuff, you know, look how good that looks. My chili recipe, my chili video. This is absolutely so good. I want to thank everybody for watching this short video. Please click the subscribe button and the notification bell so that way every time I come on, you know. Again, thank you for watching. If you're watching this video for the first time, I would love to have you as part of my YouTube family. Please click the subscribe button. Again, thank you. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.